The Convention on the Rights of Persons with Disabilities. The Convention on the Rights of Disabilities is an international human rights treaty of the United Nations intended to protect the rights and dignity of persons with disabilities. So, people they have the physical problems, that is, the disabilities by birth itself, or maybe caused because of some accident or something. So the people who have the disabilities, they have to promote, protect and ensure the enjoyment of human rights by persons with disabilities. They have to enjoy full equality under the law. The Charter of the United Nations, it is proclaimed that inherent dignity and worth and the equal and inalienable right of all members of the human family is the foundation of freedom. So all people, they have the freedom. That is the foundation, justice and peace in the world. So then, similarly, the United Nations, the Universal Declaration of Human Rights and the social and cultural rights, it is the suppose that convention would make a significant role to redress the profound social disadvantage of the persons of their participation in the civil, political, economic, and social and cultural spheres with equal opportunities. The Convention on the Right of Persons with Disabilities deals with the matters such as general principles on the basis of which the rights of the disabled persons ought to be promoted and protected. The protocol has been added to present convention, authorizing the Committee on the Disabilities to receive and consider communications from one or on behalf of individual or behalf of an individual or group of an individual who claims to be victims of a violation by a state party of the provisions of the present convention. Then the prohibition of discrimination, according to the Article 15, the right to equality, that is, enshrines a specific dimension of the principles of equality relating to the discrimination by state or various ground. Then the Article 15 of India constitutes the deal Dutch prohibition of discrimination, that is from religion, race, caste, sex, or place of birth. Then right to work, then right to liberty, then right to freedom of expression. So every people, they have the right to have a, they can express their thought, because all appropriate measures to ensure that persons with disabilities can exercise the right to freedom of expression and opinion include the freedom to seek, receive and impart information and ideas on an equal basis with others and through all forms of communications of their choice. Then the disability certificate, it is the most basic document that a disabled person should possess. So they should have their certificate in their hand, because the state medical boards establish 40 percentage of the disability people, they have the certificate for disability. Then disability pension, they have people who are above 18 years of age suffering more than 80 percentage of disability. So 80 percentage they have the disability. Living below the poverty line, they have disability pension under Indira Gandhi National Disability Pension Scheme. Then various NGOs are dedicated to this because they help such persons with disabilities to get their disability pension. Then employment. In government jobs, 3% of the seats are reserved for persons with disabilities.